guest on my television show over 21 years ago, I was trying to figure out how to describe this cat, and all I could come up with was a Filipino fistic phenom. Let's take a look at the fighting pride of the Philippines. Take a look.
Hard body shot. I'm breaking some movies in Japan still. So say it still.
Ladies and gentlemen, hailing from General Santos of the Philippines, an 8-time world champion, 2025 Hall of Famer, the Pac-Man, Manny Pacquiao.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for everything, to all the blessings in this gathering today. That He give us good health, and of course to my friend Ed Brophy. Thank you, Hall of Fame. To all the awardees tonight, thank you. I heard your statement. To all of you who are here, you are here because you are a part, big role of a boxing industry. Because of you, you are here because you're making a legacy that we can inspire the next generation. We're here to make a legacy, to give inspiration to all the young kids who are dreaming to become a world champion also. And we're here to celebrate all our accomplishment in life. I can't believe when I started here in the United States, my career as a professional boxer since way back 2001, June 23, undercard with De La Hoya Castillo in the MGM. My first time here in the United States, I feel so like amazing because of the crowds of boxing, the support of the fans, amazingly, and I'm so thankful to all of you because of your support. We're here, became popular because not only in America but all over the world. I became a Manny Pacquiao because of you guys and because of God's mercy and grace. That's the most important thing. And whether we like or not, we're here in this world for a purpose. Purpose to inspire and leave a legacy that can inspire the next generation and the generation to come. Inspired to be to make a legacy that can help and being an inspiration to all of us. That's why being a fighter, I'm a fighter inside the ring, but outside the ring, we said we must be compassionate and caring, loving each other. You have to show your love to others as a human being. All of us have that love. I know that. But let's have compassion, because look at the world. Everybody's are fighting without a reason. But we must love each other, and we will support sport, boxing. Boxing can give us, can unite us. You know, I love to support sport because sports can unite people. Without sports, how can we be united? How can we be friends? We're here, we can be friends because of sports, boxing. And we are all one family. That's why you and me can making legacy, and legacy that can leave behind, because we're just passing by this world. We're not forever in this world. We're so blessed and lucky to be rich and 100 years old. But after that, what legacy that can we leave behind that can inspire other generation? That they will remember us. See, I'm so proud to be with the champions and to all the awardees, including myself. I'm sure the legacy that we can leave behind when the time comes, the next generation will remember us. All of you, we will remember you. You will be remembered to all the next generation. And I hope that this amplify to all the generations to come, that we are human, has a purpose in this world. So therefore, thank you to all your support in boxing and any sports, whatever sports that you like, you love, you support it as long as you can do. And I'm happy to be here tonight. I cannot imagine that a boy is stealing a newspaper in the streets, sleeping in the streets. I cannot remember that I'll be here tonight to speak with you and be one of the awardee of Hall of Fame. So blessed. And that's because of the Lord my God who give me strength, who give me blessings and prosperity in life. And thank you all, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow is the final day of induction for the awardees. And thank you for inviting me here. I will call you Brother Ed. And I hope that next year, I'll be here again and to see the awardees again. So thank you. And God bless you all. So say, may the good Lord always guide you and bless you more. Thanks.